Have you ever noticed how a small device in your pocket can take photos, play games, connect you to people around the world, and even guide you with maps? The answer is chemistry. Your cell phone is actually a tiny chemical laboratory, made up from dozens of different elements. In fact, a modern smartphone uses about 30% of all the elements found in nature. So what is a cell phone made of? A smartphone may look simple from the outside, but inside it contains glass display, plastics casing, a motherboard containing metals, semiconductors and rare earth elements, and chemical batteries. More than 60 different elements can be found in one smartphone. These materials are carefully selected because each one has special chemical and physical properties. Let us start from the outside. When you hold your phone, you are holding a combination of plastics and metals. The plastic parts of your phone are called polymers. The most common polymers are acrylonitrile, butadiene-styrene, and polycarbonate, made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, the same atoms found in living things. The metal frame is usually made from aluminum, magnesium or iron, because they are strong and lightweight. That's the reason such materials are used to make airplane wings. Your mobile screen is made of specialized glass and conductive coatings. The display glass is made from silica that has been strengthened by aluminum, sodium, and potassium ions. To allow for touchscreen functionality, the glass is coated with a transparent conductive material such as indium tin oxide. It is a specialized chemical compound made from indium, tin and oxygen. It is unique because it is optically transparent and electrically conductive. Open up any phone, and inside you will find a green board covered with tiny lines and dots known as the circuit board. This is the brain of your phone. The most important material is silicon, a semiconductor. It sits right between conductor and insulator, and letting processors do billions of calculations per second. Wires made of copper, silver, and even real gold to connect all the parts. These metals are excellent conductors of electricity. One of the most important parts of a smartphone is its battery. Most modern phones use lithium-ion batteries. These batteries store energy in the form of chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy. Inside the battery, lithium ions move between different materials. When you use your phone, these movements produce electricity. Inside many phones, there is a small moisture indicator that contains a special chemical called cobalt chloride. This chemical changes color when it comes into contact with water. When it is dry, it appears blue, but when it absorbs moisture, it turns pink. This color change helps technicians to determine whether a phone has been exposed to water or excessive humidity. If this lesson helped you, press like and subscribe. Watch the next video and continue learning.